Welcome to the Vera Scherer Garden at the Frelinghuysen Arboretum, a facility of the Morris County Park Commission. This garden is designed for participants with special needs. We have raised beds, sitting beds. We have groups such as seniors, adults with mental and physical disabilities, children with autism, youth groups who come in and use the gardens for programs such as flower arranging, making recipes, using herbs to flavor foods. We have a partnership with Morristown High School with interns coming, and they do all the work here. The other wonderful thing about this garden is that it's not fenced in, so the participants and our interns are all in the garden. The public is as well, and it becomes a wonderful community.